Last week, you saw the search for India's top home cook begin. Radical Rise to Riches conducted auditions across 8 major cities to select 8 finalists. These top 8 home cooks met the host and judge, Aditya Bal, who introduced them to the details of the grand challenge. Neha from Jaipur, Snehal from Mumbai, Sajna from Chennai, Smita from Kolkata, Jamila from Bangalore, Richa from Hyderabad, Varsha from Pune, Vita from Delhi. Over the next 5 weeks, these 8 home cooks will compete against one another for the supreme title of the best home cook in India.
This is Radical Rise to Riches, and we are looking for the best home cook in the country. You've had a great first week. It's time for me to reveal to you your first challenge here in this kitchen. Are you all ready?
Yes,
Sure.
yes, chef.
Okay. Your very first challenge here today is called Best Recipe Forward. Let me explain you the parameters on which we are going to be judging you. Technique, आपका बनाने का तरीका. Execution, आपने जो चीज सोची है मन में, till what extent have you been able to execute that dish? I also want to see your vision. What is your thought process behind this dish? Also, presentation. If you're not too good at presentation, please don't attempt too much. But most importantly, the taste of your dish will give you the best chance of surviving in this kitchen. At the end of this particular round, 2 of you will be eliminated.
Huh? The first one?
So, now that you understand the rules, for this first challenge, we are going to be splitting you into 2 groups of 4. Vita, I want you to choose the first 4 contestants.
I guess Neha, Snehal, Jamila and Varsha.
All right, so please take 2 steps forward, 4 of you. Nervous?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. We'll set the bar.
You'll set the bar high. Okay. Varsha ji?
थोड़ी हूँ nervous.
Okay, so we're going to change it around a bit. The first 4 cooking today are going to be Sajna, Smita,
I told
Richa, and our dear Vita ji. So why don't 4 of you come and take your stations, please. First group, all ready?
Yes.
So you think you have an advantage?
जरूर.
Zarur. Zarur advantage hai. Well, to level this playing field, what we didn't tell you earlier was that our first group will get 5 extra minutes.
Oh my.
So, for this particular challenge, your best recipe forward, you will get 50 minutes. The 4 of you, आपको 45 minutes मिलेंगे. Okay? Fine? Your 50 minutes starts
Now.
now.
Working at a new place, the range is different, the vessels are different, your knife is different.
That point of time, I was very nervous.
Everything is new for you. It is not the same set where you work, perform every day in the house.
मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था what I will do and what I will not.
Nothing would work within a 45 minutes.
We have to run here and there to collect our stuff.
It's just a game of time and how we perform perfectly on that particular time.
I already know what you're making.
It's papaya and chana dal kebab.
ये आपने एक पोटली बनाई है?
हाँ, ये पोटली गरम मसाला की.
तो ये आपकी हैदराबाद की स्पेशल है?
It's a special of Hyderabad also and Lucknow also.
And Lucknow also. Okay. Good luck. Sajina, very interesting. What are you making?
It's a layered rice.
Layered
Rice.
rice. Okay. Is it veg or non-veg?
It's a non-veg.
From Chennai, you're choosing a North Indian creation.
North Indian creation, but I have done it in a South
Your
Indian
own
way.
style.
Yeah.
Yes, Vita. What is that?
This I'm trying to create Dilruba Rabdi for you.
Oh, it's a sweet, is it?
Yes,
Is that rice in there?
there is rice in there.
Is that khoya in the milk?
Yes, there is little khoya in this.
Okay. So, do you feel a little bit surprised?
No, not at all. Bongs are much better than any other cities, I think so, in desert.
Wholeheartedly, I agree.
According to my opinion, your strongest dish cannot be a dessert.
Very simple food and very strong presentation would highlight your dish and take it to any level.
Seafood, huh?
No, yeah,
What are you making of it?
this will be like a roti and the stuffing will be inside that and that will be fried.
You just don't know who's going to play which shot when and what goes wrong when a disaster can happen. It's a very unpredictable game.
Chef, can I take her rice? I think this is extra. My rice was not done and I'm very much upset with that. Rita, you have extra rice with you? Yellow one? Okay, give me. Thank God I got the rice from her and I used it.
आपको लग रहा है बाइंड होगा ये?
मेरे कबाब जो थे वो बनाते समय थोड़ा वो मतलब उसमें थोड़ा पानी ज़्यादा दिख रहा था कि अगर मैं तवे पे डालती तो शायद वो टूट सकते थे.
तो मेरे हिसाब से आप इसमें कोई
बेसन
बाइंडर डाल सकते हैं.
इमीडिएटली मुझे एक सपोर्ट मिला कि हाँ मैं कर सकती हूँ एंड मैंने करा.
15 minutes to go. Just about 10 minutes. Think about timing, temperature. There's no extra marks for finishing early. Vita,
Yes.
are you going to be feeding me everything on that plate? I said that everything should be edible.
Here you can have this with this. It'll add extra punch.
I'm sure it will. There's 2 cloves in that grape. Just about 5 minutes left. Yeah, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go for it, go for it.
जो एंड मोमेंट पे उसको पराठे के साथ में उसको सर्व करना चाहा तो बस वो थोड़ा रॉन्ग डिसीजन था.
Okay, we're down to 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Okay, I think it's time to taste, yeah? So, how was your experience, Richa?
I can do much more better.
You felt a little bit of the pressure coming through.
Just a lack of time.
So, you use raw papaya?
Yes, chef. This is raw papaya.
Presentation could have been better. Well done.
Thank you.
क्या हो गया आपको?
Just this is a recipe of my mother, and she's not there. So, just.
Sorry. You okay?
मम्मी का खाना तो मम्मी का ही खाना होता है.
I think it is a genuine reaction because it is a mother dish.
मम्मी मम्मी ही होती है.
Food brings out emotions. Food is personal. So, Sajna,
Yeah.
what have you made?
I made a rice chutney with chicken.
Looks very, very good.
It's little spicy, I think so.
All right. It's spicy. What did you use in the chutney?
Coriander leaves, pudina, and garlic, onion, green chili, lime.
Very unusual. Well done. Smita?
Yeah.
I must say your plate looks very, very professional.
I was I was so nervous, I can't express myself, I cannot stop myself, I started crying. I think I chose the wrong dish, I cannot make it in time. I thought, Gaya, my game has finished.
I'm going to dig into your prawns first.
Yeah.
True Bengali.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is, I tried to make a shrimp crochet. Inside this there is a prawn, but I can't make it so fast. It has become a ball like that.
Would you like to explain your vision?
This is my respect to all of you. I've lit a flame of love. Whenever I have to say I love you to anybody, I offer this.
We are all fighting for #1 position. So I think so she must be more concentrating on her dishes, neither to please all other fellow mates.
What's this?
Meetha.
Would you like someone to eat that? That was in the pulao.
This is my very favorite and our Khandani dish, Zarda Pulao. It has all the spices from the south, rice from the north.
What's this?
Meetha. This is for hot flavoring.
Would you like someone to eat that? That was in the pulao.
I want you to try this.
Not a problem. Oh, silver ball. What is this next to your candle of love?
That is Shubh Kamnai.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Right. So, you see what they've done?
Yes, chef.
Ready up?
Yes,
Huh?
chef.
Take your positions.
All the best.
Thank you.
All the best. All the best.
So, the four of you are our second group of contestants in our first challenge.
Yes, chef.
Okay? They had 50 minutes. You have 45 minutes.
Yes,
And
chef.
your time starts now. What do you think about Snehal? You think she's slow?
या मुझे भागने के लिए इतना नहीं हो रहा था। उनको देख के मुझे तो ऐसा लगा आगे चल के थोड़ा हमें भी भागना चाहिए।
सेट पे सब कुछ नया था, गैस, टेबल, क्रॉकरी, हमें सब चीज़ें ढूंढनी पड़ी कि कहाँ पे क्या रखा है।
You have to handle all the things, all the problems, all the difficulties, the obstacles, because you're not cooking at home.
स्नेहल जी, आप बड़ी फोकस लग रहे हैं। क्या बना रहे हैं आप हमारे लिए आज?
चिकन रोटी,
चिकन रोटी।
चावल की रोटी।
और ये क्या वही डिश है जो आप अपनी स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट मानते हैं?
हाँ।
क्या बना रहे हैं आप?
मैं आपके सामने कुछ राजस्थान की डिश सर्व करूँगी।
और इस डिश का नाम? दाल बाटी। वर्षा?
जी हाँ।
So what are you making?
मैं आज महाराष्ट्रियन वेज पुलाव बना रही हूँ।
Healthy dish बना रहे हैं।
हेल्दी डिश, राइट, वेजिटेबल्स एंड हेल्दी डिश।
All going according to plan, Jamila?
100%.
Would you like to tell us what you have planned to serve us today?
So I'll be serving you kabsat tijaj, that is chicken biryani, Arabic style.
Can't wait to try that.
Thank you, chef.
Okay, you have under 15 minutes.
I was going through a lot of pressure the last 15 minutes because the water was not boiling because of the flame was getting off and there was no heavy flame over there.
Come on, Jamila, what are you thinking? Pressure getting to you? Only 10 minutes remaining, guys. Jamila,
Yes.
you've chosen a leg and thigh.
Yes, chef.
Are you confident that in the time you have remaining for this challenge,
Yes, chef.
it's going to cook through.
Yes, chef.
No, nothing worse than
Having a raw chicken.
yes.
I have no doubt about my food. I'm very confident about my food.
You've got almost 5 odd minutes left.
जब लास्ट के 5 minutes was left, I was under pressure. लास्ट के टाइम में मैं प्लेट को सर्व कर दी, प्रेजेंट कर दिया, and I was thought about something is missing there.
What happened, Neha? Everything okay? Fully focused?
Okay. I something forget. I
Come on. You still have time. You still have time.
दाल is left यार. मैं भागी, उसको नल के नीचे लगाया, कुकर को ठंडा किया, दाल सर्व की, तुरंत रखा. दाल is the main thing for that plate.
You're down to your last 30 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! स्नेहल जी, क्या बनाया आपने? फिर से एक बार बताएंगे मुझे?
ग्रेवी चिकन
और ये आपकी फेमस भाकरी स्टाइल की?
भाकरी.
Okay, how should I start first?
You can even have it with the salad, that salad, or
Okay, you were confident about
the chicken cooking. Yes.
Her dish was कच्चा. उसका जो चिकन था वो भी ठीक से पका नहीं था.
I don't think the chicken was undercooked. The chicken was perfect. He dug it till the bone of the chicken. You have to have it with the salad, chef. Then that's the taste.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Okay. You like to cook this type of simple, home style, tasty food.
This is Koshimbir. We will say in Marathi.
Koshimbir.
मैंने मन में एक ही सोचा था कि जो भी बनाना है हमें वो पूरी तरह हेल्दी हो और उसका टेस्ट बिल्कुल अच्छा हो.
You think you've done enough to stay in the competition? Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Wow. 45 minutes and we've got dal bati churma,
Lesson chutney, garlic chutney,
papad and
chach.
Chas.
जब मैं अपना खाना बना रही थी तो सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे को नर्वस कर रही थी वो थी कि टाइम पे कंप्लीट हो जाए.
I don't know, sir.
और उसके बाद शेफ़ को उसका टेस्ट पसंद आ जाए, उसमें नमक मिर्च कम ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं रहे, सब मसाले बैलेंस में हो जाए.
This is spicy. Because Rajasthani food is more spicy.
Very spicy.
Yeah.
एटलीस्ट नाक नहीं कटनी चाहिए.
Good job. Good job. Smita, you are You've all just finished your first cooking challenge here in our competition kitchen. Whatever you all did, not up to my expectations. And you guys are going to have to do much better. Of course, for two of you, that chance is already probably gone. Jamila, step forward, please. Neha, your dishes were the top 2 dishes of the competition.
Thank you so much, sir.
Your Arabic style biryani, very, very subtle. Chicken was perfectly cooked.
Thank you, chef.
मैंने बोला था जमीला जीतेंगी क्योंकि उनके पास इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है.
सब कह रहे थे जमीला जमीला क्योंकि थोड़ा उसके पास और एक्सपीरियंस है.
I'm so privileged that people think I'm a strong contender.
Between the two of you, If I had to pick, it would be really tough. But Neha, I think you walk away with the best dish of them all.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, chef.
Really, I'm feeling so happy.
मैंने 2 चीज़ बनाई 45 मिनट, उसने तो 6 बनाया, मतलब मानना चाहिए उसको.
Right, so 6 of you remain. Sajna, will you step forward, please? I really expected a lot more. However, there were a few things about your dish that I really did like. The caramelized onions, the cashew nuts, and that layering I thought was really interesting.